Have you ever wondered what would happen if our planet suddenly stopped spinning? It's a thought experiment that sends shivers down the spine, a cosmic what-if with consequences far beyond our imagination. We often take for granted the steady rotation of Earth, the predictable cycle of day and night, and the comforting stability of our planet in the vastness of space. But what if that stability vanished in an instant? What if Earth's spin, the very essence of our existence, simply ceased? The answer, my friends, is nothing short of catastrophic. The consequences of a sudden halt in Earth's rotation would be devastating, triggering a chain reaction of events that would reshape our world as we know it. From planet-wide earthquakes to atmospheric chaos, from extreme climate shifts to the reshaping of oceans, the ramifications would be as immediate as they would be profound. Imagine a world where the sun no longer rises and sets, where days and nights stretch on for months, and where the very air we breathe is ripped from our lungs by the sheer force of inertia. This is the terrifying reality of a world without Earth's spin. In the first few seconds of a sudden stop, the effects would be felt globally and with terrifying immediacy. Imagine a force so powerful that it could shake the very foundations of our planet. That's precisely what would happen if Earth's rotation were to suddenly cease. The inertia from our planet's previous rotation, moving at approximately 1,000 miles per hour at the equator, wouldn't just disappear. It would send shockwaves rippling across the globe, creating earthquakes of unprecedented scale and magnitude. Buildings would crumble, bridges would collapse, and entire cities would be reduced to rubble. The Earth's crust, no longer held together by the centrifugal force of rotation, would buckle and heave, creating fault lines where none existed before. The sheer violence of this planetary seizure would be unlike anything humans have ever witnessed, a testament to the awesome power of the forces that govern our universe. With the Earth no longer spinning, our concept of a 24-hour day would be a relic of the past. One side of our planet would be perpetually bathed in sunlight for 6 months, while the other side would be shrouded in darkness for an equal amount of time. This stark division of day and night would have profound consequences for Earth's climate and the delicate balance of its ecosystems. Imagine a world where dawn and dusk are but distant memories, where the sun's relentless heat scorches one hemisphere while the other freezes in perpetual night. This dramatic shift in solar exposure would create extreme temperature gradients across the globe, leading to catastrophic weather patterns and rendering vast swaths of land uninhabitable. The oceans, no longer held in check by the centrifugal force of a spinning Earth, would also undergo a dramatic transformation. Enormous tsunamis, dwarfing anything in recorded history, would surge across continents, reshaping coastlines and swallowing entire cities whole. The sheer volume of water displaced by these mega tsunamis would be unimaginable, a testament to the raw power unleashed when the Earth's delicate balance is disrupted. But the chaos wouldn't end there. With the Earth at a standstill, the oceans would gradually migrate towards the poles, drawn by the relentless pull of gravity. This redistribution of water would leave vast stretches of the equatorial regions dry and barren, further exacerbating the already extreme climate conditions. The atmosphere, no longer dragged along by a rotating Earth, would also experience dramatic changes. The inertia from the planet's previous spin would cause winds of unimaginable speeds to sweep across the globe, creating hypercanes and superstorms that would make our fiercest hurricanes look like gentle breezes. These catastrophic wind patterns would further devastate the planet, tearing apart landscapes, uprooting forests, and scattering debris across vast distances. But the most terrifying consequence of a still Earth on our atmosphere would be the gradual loss of air itself. With no centrifugal force to counteract gravity's pull, the atmosphere would slowly but surely drift towards the poles, leaving behind an increasingly thin and unbreathable atmosphere in the equatorial regions. A tale of two hemispheres, scorching days, freezing nights. The stark division between day and night would create two drastically different environments on Earth. The hemisphere facing the sun would experience scorching temperatures, turning once fertile lands into arid deserts. The constant bombardment of solar radiation would lead to extreme heat, evaporating water sources, and making survival a daily struggle for any life forms unfortunate enough to be caught in this perpetual inferno. On the flip side, the hemisphere shrouded in darkness would face a different but equally deadly extreme. a frozen wasteland plunged into perpetual night. Temperatures would plummet to unimaginable lows, freezing oceans, burying continents under thick sheets of ice and extinguishing any semblance of life that might have existed. Life finds a way. Or does it? Adapting to a still Earth. The question of whether life could adapt to such extreme and unforgiving conditions is a complex one. While life on Earth has proven remarkably resilient, surviving countless cataclysmic events throughout its history, a sudden halt to Earth's rotation would present an unprecedented challenge. Some extremophile organisms known for their ability to thrive in the harshest environments might find ways to adapt to the new reality. However, for most life forms, including humans, survival would be highly unlikely. The extreme temperatures, lack of a regular day-night cycle, and depletion of essential resources would create an environment too hostile for even the most adaptable creatures. The importance of spin: a cosmic ballet. Earth's rotation is more than just a simple spin. It's a fundamental force that shapes our planet, its climate, and ultimately, life as we know it. It's a delicate dance between gravity, inertia, and solar radiation. A cosmic ballet that has been playing out for billions of years. The consequences of a sudden stop to this dance would be nothing short of catastrophic, a stark reminder of the delicate balance that sustains us. The regular cycle of day and night, the distribution of heat and energy across the globe, the very air we breathe, all of these are directly influenced by Earth's rotation. It's a force we rarely think about, yet our very existence depends on it. Our spinning world, a gift we often take for granted. As we contemplate the terrifying consequences of a world without Earth's spin, we gain a newfound appreciation for the delicate balance that makes life on our planet possible. The steady rotation of our planet, often taken for granted, is a gift, a cosmic dance that sustains us all. It's a reminder of our place in the grand scheme of the universe, a small but significant part of a much larger cosmic ballet. So, the next time you feel the warmth of the sun on your face or witness the breathtaking beauty of a sunset, take a moment to appreciate the simple yet profound miracle of Earth's spin. It's a force that connects us all, a reminder of the preciousness and fragility of life in this vast and ever-spinning universe.